So today we're going to look at monomials, binomials, trinomials, and polynomials. So let's have a look at what questions were given today. Okay, so we're asked to label the following as monomial, binomial, trinomial, or polynomial. So what are the differences? So let's have a look. So a single term is a monomial. So mono. When you have two terms, then we have a binomial, bi. And three terms, so tri is a trinomial, and anything more than three terms is poly and a polynomial. So let's have a look at the first one. So we have a to the power 12 plus 3a cubed minus 4a. So how many terms do we have? 1, 2, and 3. So we have a trinomial. Let's look at the next one. So you have x to the power 14, one term, so a monomial. All right, next one. So we have 4 plus 3x, 1, 2 terms, so a binomial. All right, let's have a look at the next one. We have negative x cubed plus 2 plus 5x squared minus 2x. How many terms do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is greater than 3, so we're into polynomials. Again, next one, we have x plus x squared plus x cubed plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Again, a polynomial. Good. Quite a few. All right, let's look at the next one. Negative 6, single term, monomial. Next one, 3 times x to the power 100 plus 17x, two terms, binomial. How many do we have? 2 left. Okay, we have negative y cubed plus 47y minus 2. 1, 2, 3 terms. So trinomial. And last one, b to the power 400, a single term. So we have a monomial. So pretty simple. So notice that terms are separated by an operation that's either a plus or a minus. Something to keep in mind. Okay, so if you have any questions, give us a shout at info@raisemymarks.com or by phone, and we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you for watching.